Every February marks the mass migration of the world's brightest optical designers, fabricators and engineers to the majestic setting known as San Francisco. The event is the largest of its kind in continental North America, and the gathering is called Photonics West. Brave attendees battle the throngs of overcrowded aisles in a sea of shining objects, all vying for their attention. This vast venue showcases companies from all over the world, from giant firms to smaller ones, exhibiting the tiniest of creations. It is a dazzling display of an industry that specializes in all things relating to light. Yet one company stands out from the crowd. A playful bunch known for games and merriment.
Yeah, baby, yeah!
Wait, what's this? Can a company do that at a trade show?
Oh no, you didn't.
Enough of this! With this group, we find a passionate team that specializes in the fabrication of glass in any configuration that you can imagine. From flat shapes to spherical, to any custom design in a world of endless possibilities. The bounty of this show is not measured in dollars, but in the connections and conversations it generates. The advancement of tomorrow starts with the ideas of today. Esco Optics, where passion meets precision.